Hi, I'm Sophie from Evoke Media Group, and today's tip's all about Twitter. Now, you might follow some hashtags or see hashtags, but the ones that I really recommend that you follow are hashtag journorequest or hashtag prrequest. Or you can use prrequest if it is a PR request that you're doing. Or like I do, I'm a journalist as well, so I use journorequest. And the great thing about journorequest is that tends to be journalists looking for case studies for stories. So rather than going to the effort of always sending out press releases, you can actually help journalists by fulfilling a case study if you fit the brief. So it's a win-win in every situation because you get the coverage and they also get the help they need for their story because you're being the voice of it. So I definitely recommend following that. Just be careful because there's loads of people who just use that hashtag and it's not actually a journo request. So I'd always check on the profile that they're actually a journalist for the story. You don't want to be wasting your time if not. But I know that I've got lots of work out of it with different national magazines and press. It's not my only tool, but I think it's a really useful tip for you and your business or your organisation.